Are you tired of joint pain holding you back? Imagine moving freely like you did in your younger days. Joint Genesis is here to help you regain that lost comfort and joy in every step. This innovative supplement is doctor-formulated to address the root cause of joint discomfort. Joint Genesis restores joint lubrication, reduces stiffness naturally, and supports cartilage health. With its unique blend of Mobilee and nature-inspired ingredients, it outperforms traditional solutions. It doesn't just mask pain, it rehydrates your joints for lasting relief. Thousands of users across the country have experienced incredible transformations. From rediscovering the joy of gardening to taking long walks, the results speak for themselves. Imagine finally enjoying life without discomfort. Why is Joint Genesis the best choice? Unlike other products, it's scientifically backed and safe, made with non-GMO ingredients free from harmful additives. For a limited time, you can get Joint Genesis at 56% off. Don't wait. Take action today to secure your discounted supply and reclaim your youthful mobility. Click the link in the description and pinned comment. Experience the power of Joint Genesis and live life with freedom and joy once again.